welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to be talking about another topic called a tone. Now, what is a tone? A tone in music actually means two semitones coming together. Two semitones coming together. Remember, we've learned about what a semitone is. A semitone is an half tone. Semi means half. So a semitone is an half tone. So how is a tone formed? A tone is formed when two semitones comes together. That is an half plus another half will come together to give you a tone. So half plus half, don't forget in our basic mathematics, it is 1. So when two half come together, it becomes 1. So when two semitone comes together in music, it also gives us 1, which is a tone. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to be explaining using the diagram, the keyboard diagram on our board. For example, if you're on C and you want to get a semitone, remember the semitone is the closest distance between two keys. A semitone is the closest distance between two keys that are closely related or that are very close together. So if you are talking about two keys that are close together, is actually C and C sharp, D and D sharp, then D and D flat, E and E flat basically. So if you are now looking for a semitone from C, you have to move a step higher. So moving a step higher will lead you to what we call C sharp or D flat basically. Now that is a semitone. Now how do we now get a tone? Remember, a tone is addition of two half semitone. So when you move up, if you move upward is a semitone, and when you come down or you move downward is another semitone. So half tone, that's a semitone going upward and a semitone coming down. When you add the two semitones together, it's going to give you one tone. It's going to give us one tone. That is a tone basically. So we say there is a tone difference between C and D. We say there is a tone difference between C and D, or the distance between C and D is a tone. So that is how a tone is being formed. Now I need to state this. Please remember and don't forget that a semitone or a tone cannot be formed if you don't move. So you have to move before a semitone is formed or before a tone can be formed. So you cannot be on a particular note or on a particular letter on the keyboard or a particular key and call that key a semitone or a tone. You have to move. And the shortest distance between one key to another is a semitone. So for you to get a tone, you have to move two semitones. That is, for example, C to C sharp and C sharp to D. So if you want to ask, if you are asked what is the distance, what is the relationship or the difference, or what is the difference between C and D, is a tone. So a tone is formed between C and D. Now where else can we form or can we see a tone on our keyboard? Now when you look up, let's remember that we've moved from C, we moved from C to D, and that is how we got a tone here. Now from this D that we have, we want to make another tone. For us to make another tone, don't forget that two semitones make a tone. So when you move a semitone higher plus a semitone down or downward, it becomes a tone. So a tone is formed from D to E. So that is another tone. You can see how we form tones. Now if you look at the keyboard, you see that there is no black key between E and F. Since there is no black key between E and F, now that means the distance between E and F is just a semitone. That is how music is on a piano or on any instrument, talking about a major scale. So between E and F is a semitone because there is no black note in between E and F. Now remember, we are trying to form a tone. So remember that, and also remember that a tone is formed from two semitones. So if E and F is a semitone, we need another semitone to form a complete tone. So E and F is one semitone. So from F to F sharp is another semitone. So if we are to make a tone from this E that will stop, if we are to make a tone, so we will not stop at F, we have to go F and straight down to what? To F sharp. So this black note or this black key is going to be a tone. So if you are to play a tone from E, if you are on E, you want to play a tone, you will not play F because E and F is a semitone. So you have to play E and F sharp. So you have to play your E and F sharp, and that is a tone. Now from F sharp, if you want to play a tone from F sharp, remember from any blank key down to the nearest white key is a semitone. So from F sharp to G is one semitone. To form a tone, you need another semitone. From G to G sharp is another what? Tone. So that means this note, this black note, is going to be the next tone. So basically, this tutorial is to show us how to find tones on our keyboard. And for you to find tones on your keyboard, you have to move two semitones from wherever position you are on the keyboard. Then that is how you get a tone. I believe this class has explained what a tone is. Please don't hesitate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Also, please feel free to comment in the comment section below and also ask your questions, and we also accept suggestions. If you have a request on any topic you want us to explain to you, you can please write it down in the comment section. We are going to take our time to make a video on that topic that will explain what you need to know about that topic. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again. Bye.